What would you do if you knew you could not fail? Skydive? Climb a mountain? Explore the world? Change the world? Make a new you? And what would you make if you knew you could not fail? This or this? How about this? What if we tell you you can fail-proof make anything you want right now? You can make anything with the digital twin. The digital twin links together design and production so you can see everything, plan the details, prevent problems, close the loop, and optimize the complete system. The digital twin makes it possible to adapt to new ways of working, gain flexibility, and deliver the toughest jobs at your factory in Germany and in Mexico. Just like that. Start today with the latest technology so you can realize that amazing product the world needs right now and take the leap, conquer that mountain, explore the world knowing you helped change the world. Let's make it together with the digital twin.